Let's look at the text functions in Excel for upper, proper, and lower. They should be pretty self-explanatory. The upper function will convert something to uppercase, lower will convert to lowercase, and proper will capitalize the first letter of each word. So in this case, what we want to do is take the manufacturer, which is in lowercase, and we want to change that to uppercase. So we will use I'm going to open the dialog box. We'll open the dialog box, and all you have is text here. So that just means, what do you want to capitalize? And you can see here, it will convert that to uppercase. And let's do the same thing for the product description, except we're going to use the proper function. So for the product description, they're in all lowercase, and you can see access point is 2 words, so it will capitalize the first letter of each word. And it's the same as the uppercase. You just have one item that you need to complete, and that is going to be the product description. You can see that it capitalizes the first letter, and access point, it capitalizes the first letter of each word. Lower, we're going to take the product type and convert that to lowercase, and this time I'm just going to choose the product type, and you can see that it converts it to lowercase.